Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the most powerful X mass report bot on the market. If you need to mass report X account process quickly and effectively, this mass report X account bot is exactly what you are looking for. Let's dive in and see how this amazing X mass report tool works step by step to handle reports with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, we choose the platform where we want to send mass reports, for example, X. Then, we send the account we want to ban to our bot, either as a username or as a profile link. After that, we select the report category. I recommend choosing spam and misinformation. Next, we decide how many mass reports we want to send. You can choose a higher number depending on how strong or active the target account is. Then, we set the delay between each report. I suggest not choosing less than 2 seconds. After selecting the delay, we review our settings and click the Start Report button. Once you start, our system will automatically send reports to your target using our accounts, based on the settings and speed you selected. You can follow the progress by clicking Refresh Status. If you want to purchase our bot, you can find our Telegram bot username in the description and search for it on Telegram. All payments are automatic. If you have any problems after payment, you can contact us through our support address.